Hi, everybody. Alan Ellman here, the Blue Collar Investor, with a video invitation for you to attend our BCI educational webinar. This is the ninth one in our series, which we started a few years ago, titled Using Conservative Stock Options to Create a Third Income Stream in Our Stock Portfolios. This event will take place January 15th, 2026 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. This is where we're going to talk about renting out your stocks on a short-term basis. Plus, Barry Bergman, BCI Managing Director, will share with you one of his credit spread trades with our amazing new credit spread calculator taken directly from one of his portfolios. Okay, let me just give you a little overview as what's going to take place at that webinar presentation. First of all, here's a course overview, partial. There's more, but I didn't want to squeeze any more onto this screenshot. We're going to go through what is traditional covered call writing with a real-life example using Intel. Then we're going to distinguish it from portfolio overwriting, a type of covered call writing, how we select our strikes, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of portfolio overwriting. We'll talk to you about rolling options if that becomes necessary, and the two important dates to avoid when using these strategies. Now, I'm going to also show you, and I'll show you in this video as well, a comparison chart, so it'll make it crystal clear the differences between traditional covered call writing and portfolio overwriting. Then we're going to introduce some really important metrics. First, delta, and then implied volatility using both 1 and 2 standard deviation metrics. As I said, Barry will share with you a real-life credit spread trade. We're going to, as we always do, give an amazing discount coupon offer, which will be sent out after the presentation to everyone who registered. And then we'll open up the floor to you for any and all questions related to covered call writing, cash secured puts, credit spreads, and all the strategies related to that. And we'll stay with you until the very last question is answered. Okay, so we're going to show you also, as we always do, actual calculations using our trade management calculator. And here is the comparison chart that I showed you. We'll go through each bullet point so you have a clear understanding as to the differences between the two strategies. And then, as I said, the key metrics, delta, implied volatility on 1 and 2 standard deviations, as well as making sure those trades align with your goals. How much cash are you looking to generate? So all that has to fall into play. In addition to that, we're going to really get into the weeds and show you why 1 standard deviation has a 16% risk factor, 2 has a 2.5% risk factor, and when you combine exit strategies, the risk factor becomes much less than 1%. Now, wouldn't you want to participate in a strategy that has a less than 1% risk factor? As I said, Barry will show you a credit spread trade taken directly from his portfolio using our new credit spread calculator. We'll also be offering discount coupons at the end of the presentation. It'll be emailed to you sometime after the webinar that very same evening. And we're going to be giving specific and special discounts to memberships, as well as everything else in the BCI store. Here's the registration link, and I'll attach it to the video on our YouTube channel to make it easy for you to click on it. Just scroll down and fill out the registration form, and you'll be reserving a seat. We only have 500 available, so please register as soon as possible. Now, we're also going to be opening up the floor to any and all questions related to covered call writing, cash secured puts, credit spreads, and all the strategies related to those. And we'll stay with you as long as need be to answer all of your questions. So there you have it. I'd like to see as many of you as possible. Barry and I put in a lot of time creating this webinar, and I know you're going to find points here that will elevate your returns to much higher levels. Thank you all very, very much for listening. Hope to see you on January 15th, 2026. As always, this is Alan Ellman, the Blue Collar Investor. Take care, everybody.